Now we'll take a look at Canary deployment. So in Canary deployment, we will basically delete the previous existing rule, deploy a new rule which splits the traffic 90-10, like 90 to hello, 10 to howdy, and then invoke the service a whole bunch of times. So let's take a look. So if I say kubectl get virtual service, it shows the one that already exists. And similarly, we can say destination rule that already exists as well. So now I can say kubectl delete manifest greeting rule 7525. Okay. And similarly, I can say kubectl apply -f manifest greeting canary. And now if I look at manifest greeting canary, it's a split between hello and howdy for 90-10. Okay. And once again, if I look at kubectl get destination rule, it was created about 16 seconds ago, and virtual service was created about 21 seconds ago. So these were the ones that were just created. Okay. So now let's go to the browser, copy the way to test this. So copy this and paste it here. And now basically I'm invoking service, greeting service. And remember, there is no change to the service in this case. We're just purely manipulating this at the service mesh layer. So let's see what the response we are getting now. So you can see how about 10% of the responses are coming to be howdy.